How to bold individual words in Canva. Start by opening your design project in Canva. Navigate to the Text tab on the left-hand side and click on Add a heading, add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text, depending on your needs. Type your sentence or text. With the text box selected, go to the Fonts drop-down menu at the top. Select a font that offers multiple styles. Double-click the word you want to bold or click and drag to highlight it. With the word highlighted, click on the Bold B button located in the toolbar at the top. Alternatively, you can go back to the Fonts drop-down, click the arrow to expand options under your selected font, and choose a bolder style. If you want to change the style of other words, follow the same steps. You can mix and match different styles within the same font family to create a visually engaging text block. If you want most of the text bold except for one word, highlight the entire text, set it to bold, then highlight the word you want less emphasized, and choose a lighter style. Canva doesn't allow different fonts within the same text box. If you need a word in a completely different font, you'll need to leave a gap, create a space in your current text. Add another text box. Insert a new text box for the word or phrase you want in a different font. Position it. Place the new text box in the appropriate spot within your sentence.